her small bedroom, Mirha meticulously counts coins from her piggy bank, her brow furrowed in concentration. With a secretive smile, Mirha carefully hides the money in a small box beneath her bed, safeguarding her treasure. Her mother appears at the doorway, her expression soft with maternal concern. Beta kuch shahiye? Mirha quickly composes herself, replying innocently, Nahi ami, bus a's high. Sunlight floods the living room as young Mirha stands, a handmade bracelet and card trembling in her outstretched hands. Ami, ye meri taraf say hi. Mirha's voice wavers, her eyes pleading for approval. Her mother's eyes glisten, a silent testament to the heartfelt gift before her. A profound moment of unspoken love fills the room, bridging the space between Mirha and her mother. In the warmly lit dining room, a family gathers around a table adorned with a birthday cake, anticipation hanging in the air. Abu's hands move to slice the cake, a gesture of love and celebration. Hussein claps his hands with joy, his eyes sparkling with pure delight. Ami embraces Mirha tightly, whispering, Yay, Meri Zindagi ka sabse quenti tofa hai.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.